Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to recolor this print. So hopefully by now you've opened up your color card. We are gonna use the color card in Illustrator, so you're gonna have to go back and forth between Illustrator and Photoshop to do this. This print has already been separated. The colors have been separated for you. So all you have to do is just recolor it. In a future project, I'm gonna give you guys the challenge of separating the colors yourself, but to warm you up, I wanted to start simple and just have you guys change the colors. Okay, so how do I know the colors are separated? You're gonna go up to Image, Mode, and see how Index Color has been checked. That's like the color separation tool in Photoshop, is indexing the colors. So it's been indexed for you. You don't have to worry about it. So what you're gonna do is go down to color table. Okay, here's the color table. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors. This print has 11 colors in it. And again, your goal is to recolor a warm colorway, a cool one, a colorway with a white ground, and a colorway with a black ground. And I recommend one of those being somewhat of a neutral color palette so it doesn't compete too much with the other ones. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? Why don't we start with just a white background? Okay, so this fuchsia pink is right here. We're gonna change you to white. Now, we can't really just choose any white. We wanna make sure our color card isn't using a specific shade. It might just be plain white, but sometimes black and white design teams will choose like a certain shade of it. So let's just go double check. So I'm gonna go to Illustrator, white. Okay, it looks like they don't have a Pantone number by white, so I think it's just a plain white, but that's okay. I'm gonna hit the letter A, and I'm gonna select this guy, and here's the fill. I'm gonna double click it. And then what is highlighted is, I just call it the internet color number. It probably has an official name, but you're gonna copy it. So I'm gonna say Command C. Then I'm gonna go to Photoshop, and I'm gonna hit Command V. See how it just went FFFF? And I'll say, okay, cool. Okay, so our leaves. It's nice when leaves are green, right? I kind of want to leave them green. It looks like we have 2 shades of green. Hopefully we have 2 shades on our color card. So let's go take a look. Yeah, we got a lot of shades of green here. So, maybe for the white ground, I want it to be more bright green. And maybe for a different colorway, I'll kind of use this more teal-y kind of green. So I'm gonna do the dark green. I'm gonna get out of this window, cancel. And I'm gonna click this like bright green color. I'm gonna double click it. I'm just gonna copy this web internet number because on the color card, usually, I see our Pantone numbers are picked out, but usually somebody worked pretty hard to figure out how to get it to print as close to the Pantone number as possible. So I'm just gonna copy this web number. I think it's the easiest way. Okay, so Command C. Now I'm gonna go back to Photoshop and I'm gonna pick the darker green and I'll say Command V. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and get the light green, the kiwi in this case. Oops, I have to get out of this window. There we are. Double click it, click, click. Command C, because it's already highlighted. Let's go back to Photoshop and get that lighter color green and paste it. Okay, there we go. We're working our way. So you kind of get it. You need to change all of the colors to match your color card. You're gonna do 4 different colorways as well. And just to save time, I'm not going to finish it. I'm going to let you guys kind of work on that. But let's say you're done with your first colorway. When you're done, you want to save it. And I think the easiest way to save it is as a PNG. So you're just going to go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. That's simple. Give it a name. I would probably give it a color name. The print name is Flora Print. You might say... You could say 1, or you might say pink, because this one has a pink background. But anyways, you're gonna save your 4 different colorways. They should all be matching the color card. And then in the next video, I'll show you how to open them up into Illustrator and drop them into your CADs.